Good morning. It's morning again, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. How are you, my people? I don't know whether it is night or morning, but here is morning in Saudi Arabia, bright as you can see. Today we didn't pass the other side. We decided to pass this side. Okay, guys, how are you guys doing? Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for coming back. Guys, guess what? Whenever I'm passing on this side, I'm asking my question. I'm like, how does it feel to be a rich person? Like, how do you feel when you're rich? Because sometimes I can't even imagine, because sometimes I even ask myself, do really God hear my prayers? Because sometimes you see someone super rich, and then the other day you find yourself very poor. So I think that is life. So it is morning time, guys. As you can see, I'm going to start preparing breakfast for my boss here. Her breakfast is easy, simple, but complicated. So that's how life is. But just stay with me together and let's prepare this breakfast, because today I have a lot to do as usual. Yeah, we houseworkers, you wake up one day, you have a lot to do, and then the next day you have less. For me, I really made my schedule. Like sometimes I'm asking myself, if I go back home, will I do this the same time? Like, it's sometimes here, if you don't make your own schedule, you will faint, trust me. But let's do this together. So I started, guys, with the preparing the prawns water, seeds. She likes a lot of seeds and whatever. So her tea, you have to put lemon. She doesn't drink sugar, so that is it. Then now I'm going to boil egg, then putting one slice of cheese, and that's all. She doesn't need a lot, just one glass of water, one piece of bread, one egg, and that's it. It's so easy but complicated because you have to follow the steps. Yeah, and this is it. And guys, from there I had to prepare this. I had to cook this because I prepared it already. I soaked in warm water. Then I boiled this cauliflower. Do you like cauliflower? I like it so much, but before I didn't like it. But ever since I tasted this kind of recipe from my boss, I love it now. Trust me, if you taste it this way, you will love me. I'm not into veggies, but this one, I really like it. So if you love veggies, try this cauliflower and you make it this way. You will love it more than any other veggies. Please subscribe if you're new here. You're welcome. Subscribe and like, share, and let me know where exactly you're watching from. What is your favorite veggies? Me, this is one of my favorite veggies so far, ever since I started making it this way. So just follow my steps, you will love it. So here it is done, and the next step is making the dip sauce. Yeah, this one I will use it to dip it, then I fry. I just put salt, pepper, baking powder, and one egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of water. But water you add on gradually, since we need that thick texture, and that's all. After that, the next step is frying. You dip and you fry. Yeah, you dip in the sauce, the one we make, and you fry, deep fry. Guys, it's so crispy and tasty. Remember when I was boiling this, I added salt and cumin powder, so it is so nice. Look at that, guys, so nice, crispy and soft inside. I told you guys today I'm busy. Remember, this is just morning, not yet even 1 o'clock. So now it's time for cleaning garlic, because I'm always cleaning my garlic so that whenever it's time for cooking, or it's me or other people or my boss, our garlic is ready. So I just clean it up and then I keep in the fridge. It can last for more than 1 week. Yeah. So here guys, my garlic is done. Yes, I'm done, and right now I'm going to keep it. You see, I made a lot. It is so easy when you're going to cook and your garlic is ready. So that is it, and it's time for preparing lunch. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Shout out to you all my fellow hustlers. Bye.